Isa na namang magandang Sabado ang bubungad sa inyo mga kamarino dahil oras na po para sa Yan ang Marino. Kaya good morning sa iyo, partner.
Good morning din na aking partner. Alam po ninyo, ngayong Sabado, it's a wonderful Saturday. It's also a beautiful Saturday because my partner is here.
Wow! Kasabay ninyo sa inyong almusal. At pag nakikita nyo kami kahit nakape-kape dyan, dagdag impormasyon at happy-happy lang. Pwede na busog na kayo ngayong umagang ito. Di ba, Admiral?
Correct.
At ito pa, merong quote na baon si Admiral. Ito na siya para sa ating lahat. Ano nga yun, Admiral?
Ito naman galing kay Helen Keller.
Ano sabi niya?
Ito yung Amerikana na medyo mahina yung eyesight, pero napakagaling na philosopher. And ang quote niya, life is a daring adventure or it is nothing at all.
Hoy, I like that.
Yes, ang ibig sabihin niya, kailangan may adventure ka palagi. Kung hindi, para saan pa yung buhay. Kaya
nga, tsaka huwag tayong panghihinaan. Itong kwento natin ngayong araw na ito, mabibilis din. Oo, ang gagaling kasi ng mga kadete na features natin ngayon, mabilis dahil nakagraduate na. Diba? Nakakatuwa.
Very good. Kaya, siyempre, yung mga pinagdaanan nila kung paano sila nag-train.
Correct.
Upang pagdating sa bago, magaling sila.
Yun. Ikaw nagte-training yan.
Ako
ikaw nagte-training niya, kaya siguradong ang galing Bang klase ang mga magigiting nating mga seafarers mapapanood natin dito sa episode na ito. Kaya abangan nyo, lalong-lalo na may mga kamag-anak dyan na mag-graduate. Siguro sinasabi niya, this is it? Ito na yung pinakiintay ko ng 4 na taon, di ba? Sweet, sweet memories and sweet, sweet datong ang tumitingin para sa ating mga bagong graduates. So, abangan nyo po yan dito sa ating programa. Dito lamang sa
the first and the longest running television program para lang po sa mga marino.
All over dito sa
Yan ang Marino.
This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fun, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Upang maging isang kadete sa isa sa mga top maritime schools sa mundo, it takes guts, dedication, and perseverance. Para sa mga midshipman ng Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific, rigorous semi-regimented training, academics, character development, at world-class simulators ang kaakibat ng kanilang pagpasok sa isa sa mga top maritime schools sa mundo. Kaya para sa kanila, what is like to be a MAAP midshipman nga ba?
For me, being a MAAP midshipman is learning how to grow myself. Learning how to grow yourself is being able to live in an environment that pushes you beyond your limits. Just like how diamonds are being pressured and temperatured in deep level, this is how the MAAP produces its world-class cadets through its education, training, and simulators.
So being a MAAP midshipman takes a whole lot of discipline. All in all, it takes character for one midshipman to thrive in this kind of environment.
Being a midshipwoman of the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific is both an honor and challenge. The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific upholds the highest standard of discipline, academic excellence, and leadership.
To be a MAAP midshipman is very challenging because it molds you to build habits and to be a better person overall, fit in the maritime industry.
Mula sa incorporation period, reception rights, o di kaya shipboard training, iba't ibang uri ng karanasan ang tumatatak sa mga kadete ng MAAP.
My most memorable moments here at MAAP when I was a plebe or the 4th classman, in which the transition from being the civilian to MAAP cadet, since that phase of our life has become the stepping stone or becoming who we are today.
Our recognition. Because as an underclass during my starting years here at MAAP, it is challenging because we are considered as the underclassmen. We need to follow, we need to obey and being recognized by the upperclassmen who help us grow, it is very fulfilling because we have the acknowledgement from them.
My most memorable experience as a fleet commander is, of course, when I enter my term as a fleet commander, and of course, it helps me to improve my skills in order to become an engineer, an officer on board. And this helps me to influence my underclassmen and how I distribute on their respective different capabilities and how they improve on themselves to become a better midshipman.
In contrary with the other experiences, aside from being a plebe, is the sea year leave. Because then we get to experience, during our shipboard training, we get to experience other countries and then as well as explore the reality of our job.
Maliban dito, ito pa ang mga hamon na kailangang malampasan ng mga kadete sa kanilang journey to becoming a world-class seafarer. Ito ay ang pagbubuo ng kanilang disiplina at pagtitibay ng sarili upang matapos ang araw-araw na training.
Being out of my comfort zone because compared to our home, we are comfortable living there, doing our daily chores and our routines. However, in MAAP, we need to take them off because we need to face new routines.
The greatest challenge that I've experienced here in the academy is being a third-classman. Because we have upperclassmen that we follow, and at the same time we have these underclassmen in which I am challenged to hone my leadership skills. We must know how to apply what I've learned personally. I will be able to pass them to my underclassmen.
The greatest challenge that I faced is to change myself the way I am before I entered here in the academy. Every day I just try to wake up and tell to myself, I'm here in the academy, I'm gonna do everything and I'm not gonna let this day to waste, and overall just to improve myself.
True to their mission in giving quality maritime education para sa mga kadeteng nangangarap na maging isang world-class seafarer, hindi mawawala ang pagsama nila ng mga kababaihan sa layunin na ito.
I am very thankful for MAAP for giving us this opportunity for midshipwomen, for women to also become a future female marine officers of the maritime industry, for women who wanted to become more, who wanted to create name in the maritime industry.
So I am very thankful for MAAP for having also females to onboard here in the academy, and also for having the equality that we need to have and the support that the female in the seafaring industry needs to gain or to experience with.
We also break stereotypes because it is a male-dominated academy, so we need to constantly prove ourselves, strengths, capabilities, and our skills so that we could handle the mixed gender academy.
At para sa ating mga nakapanayam na MAAP midshipmen, ang best thing about being a MAAP cadet, ang mabigyan ng oportunidad na matuto sa isang world-class na institusyon at ang pagkakataong mapabuti ang sarili sa prosesong ito. Hindi madali ang paglalakbay upang maging isang mandaragat. Maraming alon na kailangan mapagtagumpayan bago marating sa destinasyon ng nais marating. Kaya sa mga nagbabalak na sumubok, mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng karampatang patnubay at pagsusumikap. Kaya na lamang ng pagbibigay ng dekalidad na edukasyon ng Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific para sa kanilang mga kadete. Sa pagbabalik ng ating programa, mga kaganapan sa unang batch ng graduation ng MAAP Class of 2025, ating tutunghayan. Dito lang yan sa Yan ang Marino. This portion was brought to you by Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. SM Supermalls. Mga kamarino, SM Supermalls is ready to bring the heat this summer season with its one-of-a-kind sports fun. Mula April 1 hanggang May 31, 2025, iba't ibang sporty activities ang hinain ng SM Supermalls para sa bawat miyembro ng pamilya. Isa na dyan ang pagsama sa SM Active Hub, featuring 44 pickleball courts across 21 malls at running hubs sa 14 SM malls. Upang makabilang sa masayang gathering of sports enthusiasts na ito, mag-register lamang sa SM Active Hub sa SM Malls online app. The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific continues to sail forward with modern facility, active cadet sponsorships, advanced education and trainings, and as the premier maritime academy in the country, Be a future world-class marine officers. Be at MAAP, ensuring excellence at sea at all times. Ang bawat bayaning Pilipinong magdaragat, may kaagapay, may kaibigan, may kakampi, may kasangga, may kabalikat. Ang iyong Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines. Kasama mo sa tunay na malasakit. Dahil AMUSUP cares. This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fun, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Puno ng emosyon at kasiyahan ang parade grounds ng Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific or MAAP dahil sa pagtatapos ng 4 na taong pagsusumikap at pagtsatsaga. Sa wakas ay nakapagtapos na rin ang unang batch ng Class 2025 or Valharians Class ng MAAP noong May 27, 2025. Ang unang batch ng Class of 2025 ay kinabibilangan ng 177 graduates kung saan 84 cadets ang nagtapos ng Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation at 93 cadets naman ang nagtapos ng Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. 4 naman ang nakapagtapos ng kanilang postgraduate degree mula sa Center of Advanced Maritime Studies.
We are from Valharians Class of 2025!
Kabilang sa mga naging panauhin ng commencement ceremony ay ang incoming IMEC Chairman Simon Spacey, Bataan 3rd District Representative Maria Angela Garcia, mga representatives mula sa Philippine Coast Guard at Philippine Navy, at mga principals mula sa iba't ibang sponsoring shipping companies ng MAAP, kabilang na ang IMAJ at IMEC, at mga karatig na panauhin mula sa AMUSUP. Sa kanyang naging welcome remarks, binigyang saludo ni Dr. Conrado Oca, presidente ng AMUSUP, ang unang graduating batch ng MAAP Class 2025.
We salute you, we believe in you, and we look forward to the many ways you will excel, serve, lead, and inspire the future generation of seafarers in the years ahead. Once again, a warm welcome to all. Congratulations to the class of 2025, and thank you everyone who continue to make MAAP a beacon of maritime excellence. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at mabuhay ang bawat Pilipinong mandaragat. Sail forward forever, MAAP!
Sumunod naman sa welcome remarks ang distribution of diplomas at presentation of awards, kung saan 4 ang ginawaran ng Cum Laude Award, habang ginawaran naman ng Leadership Award ang outgoing Fleet Commander ng MAAP Class 2025. Sa commencement address ni Guest of Honor Simon Spacey, incoming IMEC Chairman, sinabi niya na looking forward siya sa maihahatid na serbisyo ng bagong batch of graduates ng MAAP. Pinasalamatan din niya ang MAAP sa patuloy na collaboration ng kanilang mga institusyon.
Today marks the next significant milestone for you, our latest batch of graduates. Today marks the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, commitment, study, and as IMEC Chairman, I wish to take this opportunity to acknowledge the deep and enduring partnership between IMEC and the Maritime Academy of Asia and Pacific. This relationship has been forged over many years, and it's built on the shared values of trust, respect, academic excellence, professionalism, and a steadfast commitment to the development of the Filipino seafarer.
Ginanap din sa ceremony ang presentation ng Midshipman Fleet Company Awards, kung saan umusbong ang Charlie Company bilang company na nakatanggap ng pinakamaraming awards.
Charlie!
Sunod ang Alpha Company.
Alpha!
Kabilang din sa naging programa ang inauguration ng bagong building ng IMEX sa Maap. Sinimulan ang inauguration ng isang tree planting ceremony na sinundan ng ribbon cutting, blessing at tour ng facilities. Ang bagong IMEC building sa Maap ay kayang makapag-accommodate ng aabot ng 500 kadete na kinabibilangan ng 250 sa unang batch at 250 naman sa ikalawang batch.
I'm Gerald Angelo Mendoza from the class of 2025 first batch. I am from BS in Marine Engineering and I came from Bukawi, Bulacan. Siyempre, we're very happy because we already survived our 4-year stay in Maap, including our 1-year shipboard. Of course, since we were first year, we were not able to experience our ceremonies with our parents. It's our first time to be with our parents on this big ceremony of us. So, of course, we're very happy that we are with them. And of course, the best way, sabi nga nila, the best way to exit the academy is the graduation day. So we're very happy for that.
Good morning, I'm Ensign Silvestre Maldaniel. I'm the Fleet Adjutant of Class 2025 First Batch. I'm from San City, Nueva Ecija. Feeling is very overwhelming, sobrang saya. Na at the same time, nakakalungkot since yung brotherhood na na-instill dito sa loob ng academy will be left behind. But then again, I'm still very, very grateful and very happy for this opportunity at finally graduate.
I am feeling very grateful and happy that after all the 4 years that I've stayed in Maap, ay makakagraduate na po ako.
Siyempre, unang-una, papasalamat sa Diyos. Siyempre, sobrang saya. Ang tagal din. 5 taon inabot ko bago naabot ko. Ayun, sulit lahat ng pagod, lahat ng hirap. Talagang sobrang saya.
After years of learning, after having a shipboard experience for almost 1 year, finally I'm graduating. I'm so blessed and having fun today, Mom.
Finally po, nafe-feel ko po is excitement and gratitude. First of all, I would like to thank for the Lord for giving me this opportunity to enter the academy and surpass all the challenges that I've encountered. So yun po, sobrang thankful po talaga ako sa lahat ng mga nangyari despite of all the challenges na pagdaanan ko, for all the situations that I wouldn't expect. And that's all.
The best thing that I've learned is the discipline as well as leadership. And in addition to that is the adaptability in different kinds of conditions.
So as for the training, Maap prepare us in order for us to be a leader.
So Maap has instilled me the values that are necessary for me to be the graduate that Maap has expected me to be.
Probably since we were molded as future seafarers, future officers on board, I'm planning to pursue my career at sea and prepare for my exams, and of course to prepare myself to become an officer.
May plan si President sa amin actually. Magre-review kami for OIC exam naman. So afterwards, mabilis yung process. Ayun, sana makapasa na sa exam, sa next step, may next step.
My plan is to complete all my trainings first, and then afterwards, I'll be taking the exam for the licensure. Then hopefully, I'll be boarding the ship as soon as possible as an officer.
We will be a merchant seafarer. So of course, me from Marine Engineering, I will be taking a review, and then after that, take an exam, and of course, hopefully, to act as port engineer on an international vessel.
Firstly, I would want to thank God, of course, for giving me the opportunity to have the education here in Maap, but also the president and all the Maap faculty, the DMA and the academics for guiding us during our 4 years of stay here in Maap.
First of all, I would like to thank, of course, God for giving me this opportunity, for keeping me blessed, keeping us blessed, and also the IMEC family, the Maap family, and all my friends, my brothers, my sisters, my family, as well as all my brothers and sisters inside the academy for making this possible.
First is God for guiding me all throughout this journey, and of course my family, my girlfriend, of course my friends, and of course the midshipman fleet. As I am the fleet commander, they helped me also to become a leader.
For my parents, Mom, Pa, thank you for all the support that you have given to me, for all the blessings that you have given to me since from the day one, from Poklat until even after I have my shipboard, you are still there supporting me. Thank you.
Padayon sa journey, and always pray to God for further journey of your life.
First of all, I would like to thank to the Lord for giving me the strength that gives me every day despite of all the challenges that I've encountered. And also I would like to thank to all the family and friends, especially my mom and dad, for the unconditional love and support that they gave to me.
Sobrang tuwa po at yung glory, pasasalamat sa Lord po talaga. So, kung ano yung meron ng anak ko, everything galing sa Lord. So, to God be the glory. Congratulations, anak.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kay nanay ko, sa buong family ko, and friends, even friends po. Kasi talagang sobrang supportive po nila ng lahat. All throughout the journey, simula kalbo kami, poklat.
Congratulations! You made it!
Mula sa pagiging isang plebo hanggang ngayon ay future world-class seafarer, marami na ang kanilang napagtagumpayang hamon sa kanilang naging cadet journey sa MAAP. Kaya, congratulations Class 2025! Continue to sail forward. Sa ating pagbabalik, news update sa MV Kapitan Felix Oca at Pag-ibig Fund naman ang aming ihahatid. Dito lang yan sa Yan ang Marino.
This portion was brought to you by Pag-ibig Fund. Lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. SM Supermalls.
The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific continues to sail forward with modern facility, active cadet sponsorships, advanced education and trainings. And as the premier maritime academy in the country, be a future world-class marine officers. Be at MAAP, ensuring excellence at sea at all times. Ang bawat bayaning Pilipinong magdaragat, may kaagapay, may kaibigan, may kakampi, may kasangga, may kabalikat. Ang iyong Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines. Kasama mo sa tunay na malasakit. Dahil AMUSUP cares.
This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fund. Lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso.
Para sa ating Yam News Update, mga kamarino, natatandaan nyo ba ang ating feature na MV Kapitan Felix Oca last Saturday? Muli, sa isang makasaysayang mission, nagsilbing simbolo ng soberenya ang MV Kapitan Felix Oca para sa Concert at Sea for Peace, ang ikatlong civilian mission ng Atin Ito Coalition. Isang civilian-led initiative upang ipaglaban ang soberenya ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea mula May 26 hanggang May 30, 2025. Ang concert at Sea for Peace ay isang solidarity concert na ginanap sa isang bahagi ng Pag-asa Island. Lulandi ng barko ang aabot sa 50 volunteers at miyembro ng iba't ibang media outlets. Sa pamamagitan ng misyon na ito, nais iparating ng Atin Ito Coalition ang mensaheng, Atin ang West Philippine Sea.
Balitang Pag-ibig Fund tayo mga kamarino. Umabot na ng 30.22 billion pesos ang inilabas ng Pag-ibig Fund para sa kanilang housing loan program simula January hanggang March 2025. Ikinagagalak ng Pag-ibig Fund ang 8% increase na ito sapagkat ito ay indikasyon ng malakas na performance ng ahensya at patuloy na pagpapatupad ng pangako ng Pag-ibig Fund na murang housing para sa lahat ng Pilipino. This portion was brought to you by Pag-ibig Fund. Lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso.
Kuyang working student, ba't naman nakakunot ang noo mo?
Parang kababayad ko lang, magbabayad na ulit. Di bale, magkakaroon din ako ng sarili kong bahay sa tulong ng Pag-ibig Fund.
Single mother man ako,
kaya kong makapag-apply ng housing loan sa Pag-ibig Fund.
Worry no more dahil 6 na lang ang steps sa pag-a-apply sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Step 1, kompletuhin ang mga requirements na kailangan ng Pag-ibig. Step 2, mag-submit ng application form at requirements via Virtual Pag-ibig at sa malapit na Pag-ibig Business Housing Center o Pag-ibig Fund Branch. Step 3, hintayin matanggap ang iyong Notice of Approval at Letter of Guarantee. Step 4, kapag natanggap na ang Notice of Approval at Letter of Guarantee, kompletuhin ang natitirang mga requirements na nakasaad sa loob ng 90 days. Step 5, makakamit na ang iyong Pag-ibig Housing Loan proceeds. Step 6, huwag kalimutan na simulang magbayad ng iyong Pag-ibig Housing Loan 1 buwan matapos ang release date.
Mare, pare, ano nga bang pinag-uusapan ninyo?
Buti na lang, nakapagpundar ako ng bahay through Pag-ibig Fund 30 years ago.
Nakakapag-reunion na kami sa sarili naming bahay.
Dignidad ang pagkakaroon ng sariling tahanan. Anumang estado ng buhay ay maaring mangarap at ang pangarap ay abot kamay na sa tulong ng Pag-ibig Fund Housing Loan. Ganyan ang kalingang may pag-ibig. Yan ang lingkod Pag-ibig. This portion is brought to you by SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso.
Ganun pala ang isang kadete, Admiral, na-interview natin mula first class hanggang third class. Talagang makikita mo yung sinasabi nila, disiplina. Oo, yung tama yung sinabi mo kaninang intro, no? Yung wellness nila, kaya nila, yung lakas ng loob, tibay ng damdamin, lahat kasama, ibang klase, Admiral eh.
Kasi kaya sila naka-dorm. Hindi rin umuwi araw-araw.
Yes.
Diba? So, tapos yung pag-uwi, medyo matagal-tagal ng konti. Para matrain na sila, masanay sila na pag nagbuhay marino ka, talagang hindi ka pwedeng araw-araw umuwi. There will be times when you'll be away from your family. Dapat ingatan nyo yung finances nila, ng family mo na may iwan. Tapos, ikaw, paano ka? Malulungkot ka ba? Wellness mo ang kailangan doon. Dapat nakafocus ka sa gagawin mo.
Well, anyway, napakagagaling at congratulations po. Number 1, napakagaling kasi magaling na silang mga seafarers, magaling din ang naghubog sa kanila. Congratulations, Admiral, at sa buong team ng Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific na leading pa rin up to now, di ba? At congratulations sa mga magulang na nung day 1 pa lang, sinabihan mo na. Oo.
Sinamahan na, day 1 pa lang, bit-bit na, hinahalikan yung anak nilang kalbo na.
Oo nga.
Nasa init ng araw, ayun. Pinagtyagaan ng mga magulang, kausap ko yun every time may visitation. Kaya sinasabihan sila na sige lang, ipagdasal lang niya yung mga anak ninyo na matapos nila ito. Sandali lang to, pagkatapos niya, graduate na.
Parang ang sabi nung isa, kisap mata lang tapos na.
Correct,
diba?
correct.
Admiral!
Correct.
Tingnan mo nga naman. Tama ang sabi ni Admiral, sandali lang yan. Diba? And mas magandang buhay naman ang inilalaan para sa ating mga kabataang marino. Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang usapan natin ng MAAP, usapan ng AMUSUP, usapan ng mga Magna Carta for Seafarers. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo dito sa ating programa, Yan ang Marino. Every Saturday, anong oras nga, Admiral?
Alas 8 hanggang alas 8:30.
At syempre, kung hindi sila nakapanood, anong pwedeng balikan?
Yung channel nyo.
Yan, my channel, sa Facebook o kaya sa YouTube natin. Diyan, pwede nyong makita ang graduation rites at ating mga seafarers na on board. Dahil excited na yung iba, at least meron kayong glimpse o anong mangyayari sa loob ng barko. But for now, bye-bye muna!
Anchors away!
Bye!